as Zimbabwe, we need to be climate proofed. And one step towards climate proofing of the nation, Zimbabwe, is the National Adaptation Plan, wherein we are saying we are looking at various development sectors and coming up with possible measures and adaptation options for each sector, so that each and every sector is streamlined with climate proofed. And some of the sectors would include agriculture. And in agriculture, that's where we talk of the common agricultural practice that is called named Pfumvudza, Intwasa. It's an adaptation option that is meant to ensure that we are food secure as a nation. It is an adaptation option. We also have other aspects, like in agriculture we were talking of irrigation, climate smart agriculture, our drip irrigation, and all those other aspects aimed at ensuring that Zimbabwe is climate resilient. That's the main aim of the National Adaptation Plan. Then we have other sectors like industry, transport, and other even when we're talking of infrastructure development, we are saying we need to ensure that our infrastructures, be they roads, buildings and other things, they are climate proof. We don't want a situation whereby climate cyclone strike today, we are left with no roads. We want to ensure that when we build these roads, at first they are climate resistant. We are not going to have any problems like we had in Chimani, where roads were swept away and stuff like that. So basically that's what the adaptation document, the National Adaptation Plan is all about. It's streamlining all developmental sectors of the country into ensuring that each sector is climate proofed, and also each and every corner of the country knows about climate change and what they need to do to ensure that we are resilient to climate change.